In this video, I want to show you how to create new grass location using coordinate parameters from a list. So to do that, let's go to Grass GIS. When you open Grass GIS, in the previous video, I've shown you how to create your database directory. For instance, I've created my database directory in my document and I call it grass data. So if you don't know how to create your database directory, you can watch the video in the description box on how to do that. I've set my database directory to be under my document as grass data. Now, if you open Grass GIS, what you will see under grass location will be the demo. You can see the demo location here. Now, when you are creating, for example, a new project, it will be essential that for that very specific project, you create a location for it where it will be saved so that all the data you are saving there will have the same projection, everything will be in the same place. Now, to create a grass location, what to do, depending on the version you are using, I'm using 7.2. If you are using lower version, the interface may look a little bit different from this, but essentially the same. So to create a new grass location, just come here and click on new. So when you click on new, you have to give that project location a title or name. So let's call it tutorial, for example. Then it's very essential that you give that location a title. This title is good you make it descriptive such that it can easily be remembered and also be related to the project you are creating the location for. For example, let's call it tutorial video 6. And it's also important, if necessary, to give the accurate description of that very project. Let's just say we want to describe the project with the coordinate system we intended to use. Let's say UTM zone 32. So with this description, it will be easier for us to make reference to it. After giving it appropriate location title like this, click on next. Here, we have to choose method for creating a new location. So you can see different options here. So we are going with the simple method by going with the option 1, which is select EPSG code of spatial reference system. So I'm going with this. Then click next. When you do that, you'll be required to give the code of that your coordinates reference system. So if you know the code, you can just enter the code directly here. However, if for any reason you don't know the code, you can see the code from the list here. So I know the code to be UTM WGS UTM zone 32. So I can scroll down. Yes, this is it. And immediately you click on it, it will automatically input the code here. So I've selected the code now, then click next. When you click next, it will ask you to select the datum transformation. So you can apply this default, which is here. It automatically select the default for you, which is used in the whole WGS 72 region. So select it and click on OK. And it will bring the summary of grass location you've created. You can see the grass database where it is located. In this instance, it's located in my user documents and the name is grass data. And you can see the location name as tutorial. Then location title is tutorial video 6 UTM zone 32. Then you can see the projection here. and then you can see the projection definition here. So once you verify or you are okay with it, you can click finish. If there is any adjustment, you can click back and adjust the parameters. Then click on next and it will bring you back here. Once you are finally okay with the information, click on finish. Immediately you click on finish, you can see that the grass location, new grass location called tutorial has been added here. So we can now, all the work and projection assets will be in this tutorial location. Then another thing we can do, you can see that the grass map set here is permanent. We can choose to create a new user for it. If we decide to do that, to create a new grass map set, just come here and click on new. So then you have to give the username. Enter name for new map set. Let's say tutorial user. Then after you have entered the name, click on OK. Because of the space in between, that's why it's saying it's invalid. So what we need to do is to close this space and click on OK. So you can see that it has created a new grass map set for us. You can see it here. So once you have created it like this, you can click on Start Grass section. So essentially, the grass location is a directory that contains all the data for a specific geographic area or project with a defined coordinate system and extent, just as we have done. So in short, this is how to create a grass location in Grass GIS. So if you have any other questions, let's know in the description box. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let's know in the description box. Thank you for watching.